MNMoto here, working on my V-Star. Had a really bad misfire, kind of low power, felt like it was under a lot of stress and it wasn't being able to take off very well, almost like it was, like I said, misfiring on a cylinder. I looked into it and all the forums said either spark plugs, something in the ignition system, bad gas, or something hanging up in the fuel injection. Those are the main two things. It could possibly be other things like an O2 sensor or something, but I'm starting simple. Bought a couple spark plugs. Let me show you what I'm up to. So I went ahead and pulled the spark plugs. Pretty easy. It's the back cover on this side for this cylinder, and then the front cover on the left side for the front cylinder, kind of opposite. Pulled the plugs, took a look at them. I just did these here earlier this year. Air cleaner, in fact, was one of the things I checked, and that was perfectly clean. And then these are not fouled. There was a little bit of a spot on the tip of the electrode on one, but I don't think that was it. I really think it was the left side front spark plug was loose. When I took it out, it was very loose, it wasn't even finger tight. So that might have been just enough to mess up the spark. I'm going to drop these new ones in, take it for a ride, let you guys know what I find out. And if it's secured, that was it. If not, we'll move on to the next thing. Here I am at my local Tasty Freeze, aka Fleet Farm gas station, and putting in some 91 non-oxy. Been putting in 87. Maybe the non-oxy will help. Maybe it sat too long and got some junk in the tank. On the way here, it was way better. It wasn't popping on decel and it wasn't misfiring, but it still wasn't really powerful. So I'm gonna top it off with good gas, hit it freeway, see how that works. Talk to you later. Hey, I'm at my favorite spot, O'Reilly's, and sitting here with the bike, and I'm happy to say that it is ripping. First thing you should check when you have a misfire or backfiring or anything is put in good gas, good quality gas, maybe higher octane, maybe not necessary, but good gas, non-oxy if possible, and keep it fresh. Low tank, bad old gas, cheap gas, that's what it was, I'm sure. The loose spark plug, changing the spark plugs, cheap insurance, 20 bucks, not a big deal. So between gas and plugs, $30 and 20-30 minutes of time, and here we go, back in action, ready to go anywhere I need to. This thing is just a machine. Hope that helped. Talk to you later. Bye.